Every non-tech guy, listen up. You don't need to be a tech wizard to learn SQL. And if you work with any kind of data, you should absolutely learn it. I was working in marketing, not IT. I had zero technical background, but every time I needed data from the team, I had to wait for someone from tech, wait for someone from analytics. That delay, it slowed everything down. Then I decided to try learning SQL, just the basics. Within days, I could pull my own data, filter it, and build quick reports without anyone's help. It was like unlocking a new superpower. Suddenly I had real-time access to what was working, what wasn't, and where to double down. It made me faster, smarter, and honestly, a lot more valuable to my team. And here's the thing, SQL is not complicated. If you've ever written a sentence, you can write an SQL query, select from where. That's the core. That's all you need to get started. It's not about becoming a database admin. It's about breaking free from dependency and getting the data you need to make better decisions. Now let me tell you a story. There was this guy, Tom. Tom was a product manager and he was great at his job. He knew the market, the customers, and the competition inside out. But there was one thing that frustrated him a lot. His team was stuck in analysis paralysis when it came to making data-driven decisions. They had all the data in the world, but they didn't know how to use it. They were relying on the data team to get them reports and insights, which often took weeks. By the time the insights reached Tom, it was too late. The market had already moved on. One day, Tom decided enough was enough. He was going to learn SQL and get the data he needed, even if it meant starting from scratch. So he enrolled in an online course and began learning SQL. At first it was tough. He was juggling between work, family, and his newfound hobby. But slowly things started to click. He learned how to write queries to extract the data he needed. He learned how to join multiple tables and how to aggregate data using group by and having clauses. It was challenging, but it was also exciting. For the first time, Tom felt like he was speaking the language of data. He could read datasets and understand what the numbers were telling him. And then one day, eureka, Tom was analyzing customer churn and he discovered a trend. Customers who had a particular support agent were churning at a higher rate. Armed with this insight, Tom's team was able to turn things around and reduce churn. In fact, that one change led to a 20% increase in customer retention. From that day on, Tom was a changed man. He became the data-driven product manager he always wanted to be. He used SQL to make decisions, to test hypotheses, and to drive business value. So here's the message. If you're a non-tech guy and you feel lost in a sea of data, don't worry. With a little effort and the right guidance, you can become a data-driven decision maker. So don't wait, start learning SQL today.